dropped the puck for the opening faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Capitals, gathering speed. John dumped the puck in. In behind. Blake. Andrew. Alesh. One-time hit. Logan hangs on for the whistle. The first and foremost job for a defenseman is to stop the opposition. This guy's one of the best at that.
Yeah, he doesn't have a lot of offensive flair, but he makes up for that in his own end. He gives 100% every shift.
Right on! Stall. He stopped it again. Stall. Anthony, here comes Washington with a real urgency in their attack. Good stick there as he poked the puck. Oh no! He scores his own goal!
Oh boy, that could be so deflating to his team. You never like to give up a freebie to the other guy.
Face-off won by Lars. It's a one-on-one battle. Redwing slams the door shut. Jack. And he brings the puck over the line. Logan. Saved by Logan. And another shot. Puck corralled by Matt. Out come the Capitals. Matt. Now he just gets the puck deep. Here come the Hurricanes quickly out of their own zone. Shot the puck, just wide of the net, up the boards. He blocked it, that's a great play. Washington picked it up. Michael, he intercepts the pass. Jack. Shoots it, just wide of the goal. Matt. Puck picked up by Jacob. Midway through the first period, tie game.
There's a nice reward for a very solid two-way player. It's great to see these defensive-minded forwards put one in the back of the net.
Carolina gets back in this game with a tying goal.
And it's a good thing they've recovered. Losing in the first can really drag a team down.
Tyson, assisted by number 74, Jacob.
Into the slot, shot the puck from the slot. John. He cleared the puck. And the linesman calls icing as the puck crosses the line. They're getting ready for the face-off. Face-off won by Mark. Mark grabbed it. Fires it right on. He scores, and that'll put them up by one.
His stick flexes so much as he loads that shot up. When he lets it fly, it just explodes off his blade.
That one ends the tie and puts them out in front.
But for how long? Both teams are getting their shots in.
Number 77, Mark, assisted by number 8, Brett.
Right in front. Shot from the slot. Eric in front of the net. Out they'll start. Shoots the puck. Eric. Tyson. Mark goes offside and the play is stopped. Great stop on that shot.
You have to have quick reflexes for a save like that.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. Look out! Logan reached out for the puck, and he whistled it wide of the net to Ovechkin. Now he moves it out. A one-on-one battle. Intercepted. Burns. At center. Logan got a leg on. The Capitals move out to center. It's 2-on-1. Drop the puck in the slot. Delesh. It's 2-on-1. He scores! And there's a big 2-goal lead late in the first.
I'd love to see him in a skills competition. I think he has one of the hardest shots in the league. Nice goal.
Carolina jumps ahead by 2 with time running out in the first.
This should give them a solid start to the second period.
Assisted by
Jordan.
number 20, Alessandro, and
One-timer! Puck jumped on by Trevor. Under 2 minutes to go in the first. Fired it from the left. Blocked. It didn't get through. Jordan. Now he moves the puck into the attacking zone. Logan shuts the door. How do you like this guy's shooting percentage?
It's not bad. 1 shot, 1 goal.
Let's see if he can go 2 for 2.
Why not?
last minute of play.
Jacob in control now. Here come the Capitals as they move out of their own zone. And there's the horn to end the period. 3-1 is the score. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to Washington. Picked off. Just one man to beat. Shoots the puck. Missed the net. It's cleared by John. Andre with the puck. Shoots the puck. Behind the net. Andrew. Now he takes it into the neutral zone. He passes it to Ovechkin. He intercepts the puck. And he passes it over to Stone with a wrist shot. Blocked in front of the net. Shot. He misses. Andrew. Cuts in front. Fearlessly blocked. Snaps the shot. And finds it. Anthony. Here he comes on the attack. Washington gets a hold of it. Out they come. He'll go at him one-on-one. Shot from beside the net. Quickly another shot. Another save. Hard shot. He's stuck him again. Jacob. He picks off the puck. And the Hurricanes take possession. Blake, now he moves the puck into the attacking zone. Logan made the save. Trevor takes control of the puck. Jacob. Just one man to beat. Mowed down. Logan. Jack. Blasted right on. Puck jumped on by Trevor. He picked it off. Fired it. Logan stoned him. How did he see that one?
Yeah, that was a blur, but somehow he got in the way.
About to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. Shoots it from the left. Logan holds the door. Dimitri. Shot it. Logan made the save. Picked up by Carolina. Shot hard from the right. Alexei. He takes it to center. Alexei dumps it in. Mark. Fires it. One-timer. The puck's grabbed by the Hurricanes. Hurricanes take possession. He gets stapled. Alexander takes possession of the puck. On target from deep in the slot. Capitals take possession. Into the slot. Alexander has it now. Under 2 minutes to go in the second period. Corralled by Carolina. Logan gets some wood on it. Logan got enough of that hard slap shot to change its course. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Washington.
In the second period.
Andrew. He brings it to center. It's 2-on-1. Now he shoots the puck in. And there's the horn to end the second. 3-1's the score as we head to the break. Is still ahead 3-1 as we get set for period number 3.
Jim, things slowed down after a busy opening frame. Let's see if either team can turn up the heat here in the third.
A one-on-one battle. Simon. Carolina gobbles it up. Offside. This guy's really good with the stick, and he knows how to pass the puck.
Jim, it seems like every pass he makes is right on the table. Something his teammates surely appreciate.
The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. Here they come again, onto the attack. Shoots the puck. Puck grabbed by Anthony. Logan hovers up for the whistle. He had a pretty big gun on that shot, but it got kicked aside. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Faceoff won by Lars. Logan's hit into the boards. Jack. Logan. Dimitri. Shot it hard from the slot. Logan freezes the puck. Logan can really handle the puck.
He gets out of his crease in a hurry and tracks down the dump-ins. Now that's such a huge asset because it forces the other team to try to carry it in.
In front. Shoots! Oh, and he just missed the net. Tyson, Dimitri. He shoots! Logan stones him cold. Mark has the one goal already tonight, and he looks like he's starting to find a rhythm.
He doesn't have a lot of shots, but he's finding the open ice. He needs to get some pucks to the net.
Shot hard! Ovechkin takes possession, shoots the puck. Washington takes possession. Andrew.
Wow, did you see how quickly he got that one away? That takes pretty good hand-eye coordination to time a shot like that.
Halfway through the third, and it's a one-goal game.
And this is often a problem with a two-goal lead. It can make you overconfident.
By number 17. Assisted by number 88. And
Passed over to Stahl.
Alexander Ovechkin.
Big turnover. He shoots. Big save by Logan. Andrew. And he carries the puck into the zone. One-time shot. That's blocked and didn't get through. Quick up to Stahl. Andre comes in offside. Logan was in a good position to make the save.
How about his confidence?
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Faceoff won by Alesh. Shipman shot the puck on the right. Front of the net. Logan makes the glove save. Nice save.
And he made it look easy.
The puck is about to be dropped. Face-off won by Lars. Jack. Logan freezes the puck. I thought that might be going in.
He was pretty quick to stop that one.
About to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to Carolina. Slots it. Logan got a pad on it. And he missed the net. Blake turns. And he'll start out the center with some speed. Capitals take possession. That's offside. Washington should look to shoot a bit more here.
Absolutely. You can't score if you don't put the puck on net. I know it's a tired cliche, but it's true. They have to force the goalie to do some work.
It's dumped in by Alexander. One-time shot. Dimitri. One-timer. Hits the man in front of the net. Logan was a brick wall on that one.
He was ready, no question.
We're ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Capitals. And he shot right on.
That save was a dagger in their heart, Jim. What a great opportunity it was to get the tying goal late here in the third.
Offside. When you talk about this team, you have to talk about this player.
No question, Jim. This guy is the key to their success. If he has an off night, they usually don't win. It's that simple.
Face-off won by Alesh. Ripped hard from the right. From behind the net. Take it up. Blake has it. Anthony. Poke loose. Blake. Intercepted in the neutral zone. Here comes Washington on the attack again, desperately seeking the tying goal. Blake. Less than 2 minutes to go here in the third. Tom. And play is whistled down for the offside. This goaltender is really effective with the puck.
And Jim, that really helps out his defense. When the puck gets dumped in, he's like having a third defenseman back there.
Alexander. We're down to the final minute of the third. Jay. Taylor. In he comes. Michael. He gives it away. Logan. It's man against man. Run over. Jack. Matt. Leonard. The Capitals hold the goalie.
They know that this is their last chance to tie things up. Want to give it their best shot.
Another shot. Jack. Into the last 10 seconds of the third. Behind the net. He tallies an empty net goal.
That should pretty much do it for this game. There's your proverbial icing on the cake.
Given the time remaining, that 2-goal lead is huge.
Huge, but not impossible to erase, Jim. Better stay focused.
Delayed penalty coming up. He's getting called for holding. That's it. This one's over. Carolina takes the win and the series with it. Tonight's 3 stars of the game.
Tonight's third star for Washington, number 48, Logan. Tonight's second star, Carolina, number 53. Tonight's first star for Carolina, number 8, Matt Curry.
From Washington, D.C. and for EA Sports, I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Have a great one.